Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to apply false lashes. Stick through to the very end to get all the information that you need, and give it a thumbs up if you like it or a thumbs down. That's really important for me to know. Thank you. I will be using Lily lashes in the style called Paris. These lashes do have a thicker band, however you can buy thin band lashes and I recommend those for beginners because they are a bit easier to apply. You can buy clear or dark tone adhesive. What I like about clear glue is that it turns slightly blue, letting you know that it is tacky and it's ready to be placed on your eye. What I don't like about it is that it can dry a little shiny. Personally, I like the dark tone glue. I use the Duo brand with a brush-on adhesive. For beginners, I recommend the brush just because it's very easy to use. You may need to cut your lashes. I like using my nail scissors because they're small and precise. There are tweezers specifically designed to apply the lashes, but you can just use regular tweezers or your hands, whatever you prefer. This next step is optional, but I do recommend it for beginners. I apply a thin layer of black eyeliner. It helps conceal mistakes. For example, if the application is uneven, it will minimize the uneven look. Applying mascara prior to lashes will help extend their life. However, the benefit of applying the mascara after is that they'll blend in with your natural lash, giving you a more natural look. Most lashes will be too long, so we will have to measure them. Tilting your head back, place the lash focusing on your inner corner of your eyelids. You don't want them too close to your inner corner because they will appear droopy and they will water. As you can see here, I have a little bit to cut off. Most bands will have two little bands on each side that you'll have to cut. You can cut the excess lash from the longer or shorter end. Deciding on which side you want to cut will depend on your preference. If you want a more natural look, I would cut the longer end, but if you want a more dramatic look, I'd cut the shorter end. This is really important. Cut the lash little by little. So cut a little bit and then measure it. If it's still too long, cut a little bit again and then measure it. It's best to cut off less than more than you want. Some lashes will be stiff, so I like bending them a little bit before adding the glue. Now, this is why I love the brush applicator. It's precise and it allows you to add small amounts of glue because it's very easy to add a lot. Pay extra attention to the ends because that is where they're going to be lifting if they do lift, and add a little extra. I do like blowing on my eyelashes, but I wouldn't do this if I were to put them on someone else. If you are using a tube, avoid adding the glue directly from the tube to the lash. Instead, add a drop on your hand or any other surface. This way it's easier to manage the amount you apply on your lash. Remember, less is best. You're going to want to give it 20 to 30 seconds for the glue to get tacky, and then we apply. First, focus on the center. Tilting your head back, using your hand or tweezer, place the center of the false lash to the center of your eyelid as close as possible to the lash line. Now place your outer corner, holding it in for 3 to 5 seconds, followed by your inner corner. This is where you're going to want to take your time, because if your lash lifts, it will lift from the corner, so this takes a lot of patience and practice. So don't get frustrated if you don't get it right the first time. If you're planning to put these on for a party, practice the night before. Some people like to squeeze the fake lash to your inner lash. You can try doing that, but other than that, you're done. If you haven't already, apply your mascara and your false lashes will blend in so nicely with your natural ones. So let's say you're at a party and your eyelash lifts. This is very common, so please carry around your glue. A brush-on applicator is your friend here because it's so easy to apply. All you do is you lift your eyelash and brush on some glue, and you hold it for 10 to 15 seconds and it's back on. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you guys have any comments, leave them down below, or any questions, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!